These words, I support the bill.
Thank you. Honourable Member Shri Sandosh Kumar P, you have 3 minutes.
Thank you, Vice Chairman. Even though the mover of the bill belongs to a political party which is very close to my party, I can't support this bill because my party, the Communist Party of India, stands for the abolition of the very post of governor. And this issue was highly debated in the Constituent Assembly as well, years ago. And Rohini Kumar Chaudhary, a prominent member from Bihar, had stated that a piece of cow dung can spoil entire vessel of milk. She was referring to the activities of the governor of Sindh. It's an old history, but this is relevant even today. Governors they have become trouble engines to destroy everything in states. I don't want to give you a details of what is happening in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Governors have become political manipulators. So why we need the post of governor? The mover have given a detailed list of examples, how the governors are spending money, how decorative their life is, how extravagant they are. So I don't want to add anything more. To perform the role of a governor and the duties of a governor, if at all anything is there, that can be done by the Chief Justice of a state or a Supreme Court Chief Justice. Nothing more is required. So I think it is high time to think about the abolition of the very post of the governor. And secondly, I think almost all parties are in agreement of the continuation of the post of governor. At least let us think about changing the very name of Raj Bhavans, because it's an old British name. No, I am not in favor of the name changing virus. That virus has affected everywhere in our country, every aspect of life, sphere of life. But Raj Bhavans, these people who are sitting in the Raj Bhavan think they are Rajas of modern time. So they at least let us, take initiative to rename Raj Bhavans. And moreover, I can tell you, this extra-constitutional overstepping activities of the governors must be controlled at any cost. And when we talk about the election of a governors, see,
you have
these
a minute
are not relevant because the electoral college which he suggests consists of even local representatives, or representatives from local bodies. That makes it's a very strong position because the chief minister, if you want to elect the chief minister, what you want? You have to, the members of the assembly can elect the chief minister. But here to elect the governor, you need the support of members of the assembly plus local, body representatives. That makes the post of the governor
time is running out.
Let me complete, sir, please. 1 minute. Make it more, more powerful. So that it should not be higher than the elected chief minister of a state. The chief minister is, of course, that is the highest democratically elected body in a state. Then how can be the governor above that? Then, moreover, to dismiss the governor, we don't want the representatives from the local bodies.
Honourable Member, your time is over.
That also
Please
drawback
conclude.
of the bill. So anyway, sir, let me add this point once again, that we all have to think about the post of governor, and this post must be abolished at any cost. Thank you.
Thank you. Honourable Shri R. Girirajan Ji.